The Infinity Angioplasty Balloon is a 6 French compatible 018 guide wire device. It is comprised of a 250 millimeter balloon within an outer sheath. This allows infinite possibilities and accurate placement to the millimeter, addressing the lesion within the vessel. The distal end of the catheter has a molded atraumatic tip. The balloon is sheathed by a braided shaft which extends along the entire length of the catheter to the handle. The Infinity handle has a locking mechanism so that the balloon catheter is locked into the sheath when it is inflated. This prevents watermelon seeding and is an integral part of the safety feature of this device. Also, there is the typical port to allow for de-airing of the system prior to placing this in the sheath. At the very proximal end of the catheter is the Lure system. The parallel system is for the guide wire port, and the angled port is for the inflation of the balloon. In this demonstration, an aortic bifurcation model with significant tortuosity is demonstrated. The sheath has been advanced across the aortic bifurcation, and a guide wire has been placed as would normally be done in a contralateral access. The guide wire is simulated to be down the contralateral femoral artery. The Infinity tip is ready to be inserted into the procedural sheath. The Infinity Angioplasty Balloon has been advanced across the aortic bifurcation and down the contralateral femoral artery. The tip is positioned on the guide wire. The balloon can then be exposed for the length of the lesion. The accuracy can be to the millimeter. The balloon is unsheathed by first depressing the lock and unlocking the balloon to the sheath, and the sheath is then retracted over the balloon to expose the amount desired. The balloon is shown at a length of 5 millimeters. The sheath marker is matched up to a marker within the balloon, and a total of 5 centimeters is exposed. If the lesion is 55 millimeters, another additional length of balloon can be exposed for accurate sizing. The sheath has been retracted even further to expose approximately 10 centimeters of the balloon. The entire balloon length is now exposed. Mark to mark, the balloon length is 25 centimeters, which is the entire length of the balloon. Once again, the possibilities to adjust this are infinite, so if the length was overshot, the balloon can be retracted to any length, and mark to mark now we're at a 20 centimeter length. The 6 French device presented in this demonstration is ideal to address the femoral popliteal space. It can address more than 95% of the femoral popliteal needs. We also have a 5 French 014 compatible prototype for the below the knee space. This is an 014 guide wire compatible device. It is a modified monorail with a similar 250 millimeter balloon. Depending on the atmospheric pressure applied, the balloon will expand from 2.4 to 2.8 millimeters. This will allow us to address, once again, more than 95% of BTK procedures.